1988 Chevy 1500 with a 350 small block. There's the original converter we cut off. We cut everything else off, and we ran a high flow cat there, 3-inch pipe into a FLOWMASTER Super 10. There'll be a link in the description for that. And then 3-inch tailpipe out the side into dual tip, resonated right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. I think it's gonna sound phenomenal. Let it back it out. "97" on the sound decibels.